The internet changed everything. Remember when making money online felt like a distant dream? Now, it's a reality for millions. And guess what? We're on the verge of another revolution, the AI gold rush. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the game. It's not just for tech geniuses anymore. AI tools are becoming more accessible, more powerful, and easier to use than ever before. This means a massive opportunity for anyone willing to learn the ropes. The numbers don't lie. The AI market is exploding, projected to reach trillions of dollars in the coming years. This isn't science fiction. It's the future of business, and it's happening now. Want to create a side hustle that generates passive income? AI can help. Dream of launching a full-time online business? AI is your secret weapon. The best part? You don't need to be a coding whiz or a tech expert to cash in on this AI gold rush. This isn't about complex algorithms or writing lines of code. It's about leveraging user-friendly AI tools that do the heavy lifting for you. Think of it as having a team of virtual assistants working tirelessly to boost your income 24/7. Ready to join the revolution? Let's get specific. How can you actually start making money online with AI, even if you're a complete beginner? The possibilities are vast, but here are a few simple yet powerful methods to get you started. First up, content creation. Always wanted to be a writer, but thought it took too much time. AI writing tools can help you craft high-quality blog posts, articles, even books in a fraction of the time. Imagine generating engaging content that attracts readers and generates revenue, all with the help of AI. Next, think about the power of visuals. AI image generators can create stunning graphics, illustrations, and even photos from simple text prompts. Need eye-catching visuals for your website, social media, or marketing materials? AI has you covered. Don't forget about the global market. AI translation tools can instantly translate your content into multiple languages, opening up a world of potential customers and revenue streams. We'll dive deeper into this strategy in the next section. But for now, just imagine the possibilities. Finally, consider the power of automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks like email marketing, social media scheduling, and even customer service. This frees up your time and energy to focus on growing your business and, more importantly, enjoying the fruits of your labor. Remember that dream of reaching a global audience? It's easier than ever with AI-powered translation tools. These tools go beyond simple word-for-word translation, capturing the nuances, idioms, and cultural context of different languages. Here's a step-by-step guide to leverage AI translation for online income. 1. Choose your content. Start with your best performing content. This could be blog posts, articles, ebooks, even social media updates. 2. Select your target languages. Research your target audience and identify the languages with the most potential. 3. Use an AI translation tool. There are many great AI translation tools available, both free and paid. Experiment to find one that meets your needs. 4. Review and edit. While AI translation tools are incredibly accurate, it's always a good idea to have a native speaker review and edit the translated content for accuracy and fluency. 5. Publish and promote. Once your content is translated, publish it on your website, blog, or social media channels, targeting your chosen language markets. Imagine the possibilities. You can translate your online courses, ebooks, and digital products, instantly expanding your reach and revenue potential. You can offer your services to a global clientele, breaking down language barriers and tapping into new markets. The best part? AI translation tools are constantly evolving. becoming more accurate and sophisticated all the time. This means you can focus on what you do best, creating great content and connecting with your audience, while AI handles the language barrier. The future of online income is here, and it's powered by AI. This isn't a distant dream. It's happening right now. The tools are available, they're easier to use than ever, and the potential rewards are massive. Don't get left behind. Embrace the AI revolution and start building your online income streams today. Remember, you don't need to be a tech expert to succeed. You just need the willingness to learn, the courage to experiment, and the drive to take action. Start small, experiment with different AI tools, and find what works best for you. The beauty of the online world is that you can learn and adapt as you go. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. The AI gold rush is here, and the opportunities are limitless. Take the first step today and unlock your full earning potential in the exciting world of AI-powered online income.